Evening all. So earlier today, someone sent me a new tool called BatchSpeed.com, and I did share it. I had a quick play with it, and I did share it in the Facebook group. But now I've had a more of an in-depth play with it. I really want to show you some of the cool features and why I love this tool. So fundamentally, BatchSpeed.com is a way of testing or getting the data on multiple URLs at once and getting the metrics from page speed insights. So all this stuff you'd see here, we can do it in bulk and you're allowed to export it to Excel, which saves you a lot of time. Yes, you can do it manually, but who's got time to sit there, chuck in 100 URLs, press analyze, wait, paste the data, copy the data into Excel, go away. All it takes is for one little typo error and you've got mistakes in the data. You've got to do it manually, you've got to sit there, it's not great. So this tool is amazing. Like I said, it's called BatchSpeed.com. I've only just found about it, but you've got 500 URLs you can do for free. So if you've got more than 500 URLs, you're going to have to batch them into segments, but I'll show you about how to do that in a second. But you get both desktop and mobile. But let's get started. So you've got three ways of doing it. You just chuck in a URL and crawl it. You can use a list of URLs. This is what I'm saying. If your website is more than 500 pages, you're going to have to create them into a list of 500, chuck them into here, go off and crawl. Or you can just chuck in your sitemap URL. So, for example, on our site, we could just chuck in sitemap, but we'll do the crawl. So you go onto there, chuck in the URL, hit run test, and wait. It does take a few seconds. But the good thing about this is, because it's web based and you know I was chucking them out URLs and type, you can hit this go crawling, and then you can go off and do whatever you want to do. Go and make a cup of tea. Probably, I would say you could leave it while you went slept overnight, but each probably 500 URLs, it'll do it pretty quickly. But yeah, you just can leave it running. But yeah, as you can see, the data is starting to come in now. So you've got grid and table view. I actually prefer table view, but we'll have a look at both. So grid view is just them like this, and then you've got filter, mobile, and desktop. Don't worry about my scores being so low. I've currently made my site pretty poor, and I'm about to produce a guide of how to go from a poor site to an amazing site, but I'm in the middle of that. So that's why my scores are low. But yeah, so you've got your desktop and you got your mobile, and you can review by table. And this is all crawling away nicely. Like I said, you don't have to sit here and watch this. Takes 2 or 3 minutes, maybe 5 minutes to run, depending on how many URLs you got. It might take a bit longer. But the great thing is, set this going, you walk away, you come back, you're done. Then you got you can expand all, which just gives you the more details here, which is what's wrong with it. So the reason why these are all on here is because this is a WordPress site, and the guide will be a WordPress of how to fix all these. But you can just expand them all and close them all, but it's pretty cool and it tells you what's wrong. And then the great feature is once it's finished, you've got the export all, export to Excel. And if you're like me and doing like large data analysis and want to do some pretty cool stuff, then you want the raw data. You don't want to be going to here and go, oh, let's chuck in your URL, analyze, wait for it to run. Oh, so the score is this, this, and this. Next URL. It's just not efficient. But with this great tool, you just sit back. Like I said, if I were doing this now for the site and I wanted the data, let's say I were doing 500 URLs, chuck it in, go away, come back. And because it's cloud based, you could probably do it on mobile if you wanted to. I'm not sure. I haven't tried this tool on mobile. Actually, let's do that while I'm here now. While I'm waiting for this to crawl, let's see what this works like on mobile. Obviously, I can't show you that at the same time, but you just have to take my word for it. HD. Yeah, it seems working perfectly fine on mobile. It's going to get the data. I'm guessing then you'll just export it like you would on your phone. So yeah, so this is even better that you can do it on your mobile phone. If you ever do want to, if you start one and you want to stop it, there is no stop button, which is a bit of a pain. What I found the best thing to do is either just hit this new button here, because I did that by mistake earlier when I was testing, or go back to the home page. It should really, a nice feature would be a stop button if you've hit the wrong URLs to crawl or the wrong sitemap you put in, etc. Because otherwise you got to wait. But yeah, it's just great now. Almost done. Great tool. It's now finished, so then I can export it straight down here in CSV. Boom, sorted. I'm happy. So if you've enjoyed this video, please just subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this on tools that we use. Do join our Facebook group. It's growing daily. There's some cool questions being asked, whether they're basic or more advanced questions. But yeah, if you've got any questions, feel free to ask. Thank you.